What is up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be focusing on Native Instruments Play Series, and by the way, they're having a sale which is starting from now until the end of May the 6th. So you're definitely going to want to stay tuned and watch this video to its entirety because I'm going to show you how I use Play Series in my productions to really add some value. Also, I'm going to leave a link down in the top of the description box below where you could browse and download some of these play series here. So if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment down below. So one of the play series that I've been heavily using lately has been this one called Ignition Keys. And as you can see on the screen, it's very easy to use, it's well laid out. And that's what I really like about using a lot of these play series. You know, you have your sounds, you have your effects, you have a sequence, and then you have the macros. And the macros always come in handy because you can quickly dial in the sound that you want. So what I want to do now is just kind of give you a sneak peek of what this production is sounding like when I use something like Ignition Keys. All right, so that is just a little taste of what it's all about. Let's take a closer look at some of the presets that I'm using from Ignition Keys. So I have this one soloed here, and we're also going to solo this one here, and I'm using this pad sound here. And this one is called Glass House. So really smooth, and you can really adjust these as well using like the balance. So right here it has the glass keys, and then you have like the whoa keys, and then you can change the balance. So if you want more one sound over the other, you can change the cutoff, which I think that's what I did. I just kind of adjusted the cutoff, change the resonance, you got saturation, and each sound has their unique controls that you can control, or you can just roll the dice and get what you get. I'm also using Ignition Keys for this plug synth here as well. Take it back to bar number 5 here. So if that's too much delay for me, what I can do, I can come in here and turn off replica. If it's too much reverb, I can kill the reverb. Keep those on. So right off the bat, you're just getting this nice tone. Another play series that I've been getting into lately is this one called Melted Vibes. And this one has a lot of different, it has synths, has basses. It has like this weird, just kind of warped audio sounds. And that's what I really like about, Melted Vibes. So let's check out what it's doing here on this track. Play it together now. So a nice sound right off the bat. So that is Melted Vibes and Ignition Keys. There's one more that I want to show you, but it's in another session. So I'm gonna close out this session and I'm gonna open my other session and show you my last favorite play series for this video. So this play series is for my hip hop heads. This one's called Empire Breaks. And if you want to get that gritty, lo-fi, chopped up drum type of sound for hip hop, then this play series is gonna be for you. And let me go ahead and play you a beat that I'm working on that's using Empire Breaks. And let's play that raw. So with Empire Breaks, you're able to really customize your drum sounds and really just kind of shape the tonality of the drums. And you have the different patterns here. You have your effects, of course, and you have your macros. So there's a lot of different tones that you can get from Empire Breaks. Hopefully you gain some inspiration. Again, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below where you can check out some of these play series. It's your boy Young Fizz. Thank you for tuning in. We will see you on the next video. We out.